the city, she call it the. She be hanging with the blues and I can sit diddy. I think Shawty want a thug and that's gritty, but she always hit me up and tryna get with me. Is that what you want? Is that what you need? Is that what you like?
Welcome to our brand new jobby. Yeah, welcome back to the Wolf Bottles channel. We've got this massive ass renovation that's happening in here. It's going to be wicked. I'm going to give you a bit of a walkthrough on what's actually going to happen, and there's going to be videos about the whole job, start to finish, so come with me. As we walk up the stairs through here, we're going to come to the front entry, right? Now, through this front entry, we're going to have a new deck that comes out about 3 meters, running all the way through around, hiding those horrible stairs, coming in and joining into the front of the house through there. We're going to have a nice set of stairs coming around like that, and that's going to be nice and inviting. Now, as we come through, we can see there's this big window, right? So what's going to happen is we're going to cut down the sides of these bricks through here, and there's going to be a nice big bifolding door opening out onto the deck, making this a nice outdoor living space. Now, as we come through, we've got these beautiful doors. All the joinery in this place is getting replaced. All new double glazed. It's going to look absolutely nice and beautiful, and it's going to be way warmer inside. Now, as we come through, you'll notice we've got this sort of big lounge area through here. Now, what's going to happen in here is we're actually going to take this wall out, right? And behind this is the kitchen and the dining, and it's going to create a nice open plan living through here. And what we're going to do is we're also going to build a wall through here, so it sort of blocks off the entranceway, and there's going to be a nice barn slider as you come in, and you're going to be entered into the nice open plan living. Okay? Alright, as we come through, and this is the window that's going to have the big bifold doors out onto the deck. It's going to be stunning. Look at that. Look at this beautiful sun straight into my eyes, baby. Oh yeah. Okay, as we come through, you'll notice that everything's sort of congregated and small. See, this wall here, this is getting removed as well. I will just state that we're going to be replacing, come through here. We're going to remove whatever the hell this decking is, and we're going to put a nice hardwood deck down, matching the one throughout the front entry. As we come through, you notice we've got this real sexy kitchen in here. This is just as handsome as Fabian on a Saturday night, so watch out, ladies. This is all getting demoed. We're ripping all this out, and it's pretty hard to see now, but there's going to be a nice kitchen bench along the back, and there's going to be a nice island in the middle that's sort of going to open up into the dining and lounge. As we come through, we've got our nice cute little in here. We've got a laundry. All this is getting ripped out. We're going to close this doorway off, and we're going to put a bit of a cavity slider through here. So we're going to enlarge this laundry and all that good shit. Okay, as we come through, all the floor coverings are coming up. This is beautiful 1830s carpet. Looks like Fabian's bumhole.
Brother,
Hey, wait, hey! Come here, Dave. We've got Dave back again. Look at this. Check him out. Yeah.
Where did you go?
Yeah, boy. The backbones of New Zealand society right here. Don't at us. Okay. So as we come through, obviously everything's getting redone. We're going to keep these tiles. New toilet, new tiles in here. And then we'll make our way into the existing bathroom. Now everything's getting gutted in here as well. We're going to push this wall out and sort of go into the wardrobe in the other bedroom there, and we're going to have a bath. Everything's getting reconfigured, new toilets getting positioned, new wall vanity and stuff like that, so it's going to look real cool. Now as we come through, we're into one of the bedrooms. If we spin around through here, this you can obviously see is the wardrobe that we're going to attack. That's going to get made into the bathroom, nice big bathroom. Through here you see this window here. What we're going to do is we're going to cut it out all the way down, and then we're going to have bifold doors onto a deck out the back. If you just go zoom in around out there, got a nice backyard out there, so we're going to make the most of that and put a nice hardwood deck through there as well. Now into the master, master bedroom. So the clients have already taped up all the joins and seams so we don't get any little dusty particles in there. Okay, no going in there, Fabian. Watching you.
You call up the closet.
Oh! So yeah, this is obviously quite a large window, and neighbors can actually peer through into the bedroom, and we don't want any appearing, do we? So we're actually gonna make this window quite a lot higher and just a nice thin window through here, and I assume the bed is going to be sat here so they can't actually see any good stuff. And again here, we're going to take that window out, chop down, and then there's going to be bifolds onto the deck out there, so it's going to look really, really cool. All right, so we made it out to the backyard, and now as I said in the other two bedrooms, you can sort of see up here those two small windows. We're literally just going to cut the brick down nice and tidy through there, and this is where this big deck's going to come out. It's going to be about 3.5 meters, and then we're going to have sort of some nice foundation stairs sort of wandering down onto the grass out here. So that's going to be nice and cool, just like me. But yeah, super excited about this project. It's going to be wicked as. Wolfgang's on it. So I think this project itself, our timeline is going to be about 8 weeks. I've allowed 12 weeks because sometimes the subbies freaking push out and all that sort of stuff. It happens on every job. But our section will probably be about 8 weeks worth of work. Now, the subbies involved, obviously we're going to need a plumber, we're going to need a sparky. There's a little bit of engineering needed to happen as we're taking out these walls. None of these walls are actually load bearing, which was kind of interesting, but we'll talk about that in the next episode about how to figure out what a load bearing wall is and all that sort of stuff. We've got laminate flooring going down, waterproofer, tiler, and yeah, all that good stuff. So make sure you stay tuned for this cool as series. We're gonna have lots of little bits and pieces, heaps of information, and yeah, I'm glad that you guys are following along with us because we're gonna absolutely smash it. Hey, oh yeah, Davey boy. One thing I will say is we're actually gonna keep these pelmets. Now these pelmets are from the 1980s, and we're gonna keep them so Dave can put them in his house.
Yeah,
but yeah, that's cool. I'm really excited about this, and yeah, deuces.
Dog!
I'm suggesting, is that what you want? Is that what you need? Is that what you like?